morning everyone. Today we are going to report the carbohydrates. What is carbohydrates? Carbohydrates is a major source of our body. Mahalagang makain natin ang mga ito dahil mayaman sila sa carbohydrates. Ang carbohydrates ay ang pangunahing nagbibigay sa atin ng lakas. Kaya kung matamlay ang iyong kaibigan, baka kulang lang siya ng carbohydrates. May iba-ibang uri ng mga carbohydrates, polysaccharides, monosaccharides at disaccharides.
Monosaccharides from prefix mono, which means one. Monosaccharides is the simplest sugar and the basic subunit of a carbohydrates. These compounds are white solid at room temperature because they have polar hydroxyl groups in their molecular structure. They are very soluble in water. The most common monosaccharides are glucose, also called dextrose, and fructose.
Ito, bigyan ko kayo ng paghahanap sa asukal. Pag hinahanap niyo ang asukal, sabihin niyo, "Ma, asa ng sucrose?" Pag tinanong ni mama niyo kung ano ang sucrose, sabihin niyo, masamit. Dahil ang pinaghalong fructose at glucose ay tinatawag na sucrose o sugar.
Pag nag-combine each other naman, ang glucose sa isa pang glucose ay makakabuo ito ng maltose.
Pero pag nag-combine each other naman ang galactose sa glucose ay magiging itong lactose. Pag marami namang monosaccharides ang nag-combine each other, ito naman ay magiging polysaccharides. Example ng polysaccharides ay starch dahil nag-combine na madami ang glucose molecules. Nakikita rin yan sa patatas at rice.
These saccharides are a type of a carbohydrate that consists of two monosaccharides, joined by a closed city. These compounds are soluble in water, are often crystalline. The three most common examples of these saccharides are sucrose, lactose, and maltose. Sucrose, which is formed in green plants following photosynthesis, consists of one molecule of glucose and one of fructose bonded. Lactose, found in the milk of all mammals, consists of glucose and galactose.